How to watch adult videos on YouTube. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch your YouTube app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Now navigate to the You page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now head over to the option General. Scroll down and look for restricted mode. If it's turned on, toggle it off. This mode filters out mature content and some flagged videos. Turning it off removes that filter. Try watching the video again. If it plays, you are good to go. If not, continue with the next step. If your account is a part of Google Family Group, especially if it's supervised account or child account, your access to certain YouTube content may still be restricted. Open a web browser and go to Google Family link. Sign in with the account that manages your device or Google profile. Select the account, for example, a child's account, then look for YouTube settings. Make sure you are not limited to YouTube Kids or a restricted content filter based on age. If you are a parent, you can update these settings to allow broader access or disable YouTube Kids entirely. If you're underage, changes can only be made by the account manager. Once you have turned off restricted mode and updated family link settings if needed, you should be able to view most age-restricted videos on YouTube without any issues. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.